When will my bonds go back up? If you're listening to me right now, chances are your bond or your bond fund investments went down between May and June of this year. To answer the question, when will my bonds go back up, you first should understand a couple of simple things. The Treasury bond, often referred to in the press as the bond market, had a rise in interest rate demanded by investors of over 30% from May to June this year, and nearly a 60% rise from January to June. Interest rate sensitive investments declined 5 to 20%. So you're not alone if your investments went down, and I know exactly how you feel. Second, interest rates and the price of bonds generally move in opposite directions. Interest rates go up and bond prices go down. And finally, recognize that for the last 6 years and during the recession of 2008 and 2009, bonds went up because interest rates went down. This gave you a great feeling, and many thought it was just going to continue forever. So to see your bonds rise will take a little bit of time, with only some rare exceptions. And this may not be the news that you wanted to hear. But let's ask yourself, what's the purpose of that bond that you have? Is it to pay you the interest in a safe manner and pay you back when you're invested principal at maturity, to pay that principal back? Then it just may be the place to stay. So going to cash, you will have accepted a loss when the bond may actually recover. Changing investments to the stock market can mean that there may actually be more up and down. Realize there are alternatives to straight bonds, and there are also other investments that may fill your need for a little bit higher interest rate. Ask your professional advisor how your portfolio looks and what suggestions for improvement you could make. And this is Mark Germain. Thanks for listening.